This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get macro data handling. First, let's define your goal. Begin by clearly identifying the specific data handling task you wish to automate. Think about what data you start with and what you want the final result to look like. For example, you might want to process thousands of rows of sales data, extracting key metrics or reformatting information. A well-defined goal is the foundation for a successful macro. Next, it's crucial to plan and prepare your data. Ensure your raw data is organized consistently, perhaps in a table with clear headers. Spend time cleansing it, removing any duplicate entries or correcting errors, which can save hours later. For instance, if you have 1,000 entries, even a 1% error rate means 10 issues to fix. This preparation ensures your macro works efficiently and accurately. Now, let's develop and test your macro. Choose a suitable tool, like a spreadsheet program's built-in macro recorder or a scripting language. Write the code to perform each step you outlined, from data input to output. It's vital to test your macro rigorously with different data scenarios. For example, process at least 3 distinct data sets to confirm it handles all variations correctly and produces the expected results every time. Finally, implement and maintain your macro. Integrate it seamlessly into your daily or weekly workflow, ensuring it runs automatically when needed. Documenting your macro is essential. Describe its purpose, how to use it, and what data it expects. This helps others and your future self. Remember to review and update it periodically, perhaps every 6 months, to ensure it remains effective as your data or processes evolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.